OFEKE, the New Yam Festival of the people of Umuahia, is a festival which has come to be embraced by all the people of Osu local government and some of their neighbors from other local governments and villages. OFEKE is marked by the presence of so many people, a lot of masquerades. I mean a whole lot of masquerades, from Otiaba to Akapu to Abohumo, Two-Face and the rest. OFEKE is celebrated every 1st of January. This video captures a little bit of what happened on the 1st of January 2021. So you want to relax and catch a glimpse of it. People, what's popping? Kilan Shele, again name. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite baby girl, Chidera Giselle, on the microphone. If you're new to my channel, Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Owerri. But currently, I'm in my village. Sorry, I'm panting. I just ran upwards to start this intro before my cousins get to where I am. So as the title and thumbnail of this video says, I am on my way to OFEKE Day. OFEKE is the biggest festival in my local government, possibly in Imo State. I don't say Imo State because I've not witnessed other festivals in Imo State, but it always has a whole lot of masquerades in attendance. And the name of the village is actually not my village. See, my cousins, they have passed. It's actually not my village that has the festival. It's our neighboring village called Umuahia. If you know Kubana Chief Priest, the celebrity barman, that's his village. He's from Umuahia. So this OFEKE Day is very big because so many people from my place always come back. Some people come back 31st night because it happens every 1st January. So some people come back 31st night just because of OFEKE, and after OFEKE they leave on 2nd morning, something like that. So guys, I'm on my way and let's just dive right into the video. I don't know if I'm going to be able to vlog. Sorry, let me turn and go meet them. They've passed me too much. I'm on the hill, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to vlog because it's quite risky. Somewhere that has so many masquerades like that, many of the masquerades are anti-camera, so it may be risky for me to vlog there. But when we get there, we're going to know what we're going to do. Free ride. Free ride to OFEKE. Are you serious? Free ride to OFEKE. This is a miracle. This is a miracle. Mimi, can you hear me? Come on, see Hogijo. So we're on our way at this point, and if you can look, you can see some people trekking towards our direction. Yeah, transportation is a very big issue on OFEKE Day, and this is one masquerade on its way to OFEKE. Guys, can you see this crowd? Can you see this crowd? They are so moved already. Can you see this crowd? Can you see the first masquerade I see? Can you see the people that came for this thing? Yes.
If you look for me, I did not see you. If you look for me, I did not see you. Enter bed.
Guys, can you see the way I'm sweating? You can see the way I'm sweating. I am so scared. I've been running, like my cousins have been telling me you're unnecessarily scared, but you can't blame me. Like I am so scared. See the population. The masquerades are not so much this year, but people are so much. I've never seen people this much at OFEKE Day before. People are so much here. I even saw someone from another village, and not somebody from Olu, not even Osu. So people from other places even came because this occasion is usually very big and very interesting.
Video I will take. I'll send to
Why will I not love being Igbo? So at this point, we entered into this compound. Yeah, there are so many compounds at the forefront of Umuhu, and on OFEKE Day, some masquerades enter into those compounds. So I want you guys to see these twin masquerades that were doing some performances in this compound. The weird thing about masquerades is that you just can't understand how they are made and how they are constructed. Just take a look at these masquerades. They can extend their legs and be tall, and then they get short and they still move around, and I'm just confused about whether the masquerades are actually tall or short masquerades. Anyways, there was a live band in this particular compound giving us this sweet music you have been listening to. Now guys, I need you to look at the parts where my camera is facing. You will see a lot of people running. Yes, that is the reason people go for OFEKE. People go for OFEKE to run. People are not meant to be standing on OFEKE day. People run even inside bushes. This part of OFEKE I filmed is just a little part of OFEKE. There are still some people running inside bushes inside this place. Did you just hear us say oh 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 oh? That's the sweetest part of watching masquerades for me. That sound is used to pacify the masquerades. Actually, people come to OFEKE to run, not just to stand and watch masquerades. And the name of that masquerade you just saw is Akamu. And coming up next is a masquerade called Two-Face. Hey. This masquerade is not just called Two-Face for nothing. Two-Face is a very, very beautiful masquerade, but the tricky thing about Two-Face is that you can't tell the front from the back. As you can see, the front is the same thing with the back. So if Two-Face is to chase you, you're not going to know whether it's chasing you from the front or from the back, and that can be quite confusing. Yeah, but generally it is a very, very peaceful masquerade and a very beautiful masquerade, and I think it's the most loved masquerade because people love to see Two-Face and people love to sing around Two-Face. Did you just hear my little niece tell us to go to the other side? Yeah, she said we should go to the other side because apparently nothing was happening here. The masquerades facing us at this side were very, very calm masquerades, and the masquerades at the other side were chasing people and hitting their cutlasses on the floor. When going for OFEKE, you should bear in mind that you may get wounded, your items may get stolen if you're not careful enough, because you can see this crowd, and when the masquerades start chasing, people actually forget themselves and just run anywhere because of the cutlasses and sticks that they hold. And you can see this guy, I don't know what he was performing. Normally when I go for OFEKE day, I usually don't stay on the road. I usually run inside the bush and in uncompleted buildings. That's where OFEKE is usually hot. So this is the first time I would stay on the road, so I don't know what he was performing. But you can see another type of masquerade facing us here. This masquerade is so beautiful. It really shows the culture of masquerades. And you can see this particular masquerade is on top of somebody's car. Yes, you should not pass Umuho Kabia, Ihitenansa, Asa, and Amaruru on OFEKE day because you just get stuck in this place and this masquerade will not allow you pass. So guys, the next thing you're going to be seeing is two masquerades. Yeah, you can see these two masquerades. They are passing and it looks like they're hiding something. Yeah, they were actually hiding something and my camera could not get it. They were hiding the abohomowu. The abohomowu, aboho in Igbo means a young lady. So the abohomowu is like their wife, their pet, and other people are not supposed to see the abohomowu. So they guard the abohomowu jealously. And after the abohomowu passes, you are supposed to leave this part. This part I am now is the main OFEKE hall where the OFEKE happens. That canopy, you're supposed to leave that part because the masquerades get really rough at this point. No, your eyes are not deceiving you. These are people fighting for money. Some people pass on OFEKE day and they stand out from their car and spray money, different denominations, 100 naira, 1,000, any amount of money, and people actually struggle for this money and get injured, fall inside the gutter just to grab some money. God, so it's getting hot and they're beginning to chase people really, really well. Like the chase, the running is much now, so I'm going to keep my phone inside my bag because I can't risk it anymore. So guys, we'll talk later. I'll see you later. So after OFEKE day on our way home, because when you go for OFEKE, don't expect to see any transport while going home. That's why it's kind of bad to go for OFEKE if you don't have a car or a bike of your own, because if you even see any means of transportation, it will be so expensive. So we're trekking home and we saw some of our relatives and they invited us to this bar to come drink before we continue our journey home. So guys, I had the fun of my life on January 1st. That is how OFEKE day always is. So in case you're not Igbo and you always wonder why Igbo people go home every December, a lot of things happen during Christmas. If any learn a men at December. Anyways guys, that's going to be it for it. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. For now, bye, kiss kiss, love you.